Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save drafts on Instagram. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and try to save at least a post. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and use this QR code. Next. So once you're here in this section, you can go ahead and add in some filters, hit on done, or make a little adjustment right here. Okay, like tweaking brightness, so on and so forth. And you must make at least one change or Instagram won't let you save a draft. So once that's done, actually, you can go ahead and tap on the back icon. As you can see here, you can just easily tap on Save Draft. There you go. Now, another option for Reels. All right. So, for example, Reels right here. Let's go ahead and capture this one. Done. Next. Next. Now, once you're on this, write a caption and add hashtags tab. As you can see, you now have the save draft option. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, to find a draft, just tap on plus sign. Right here, you'll be able to see the draft section. As you can see, here we have the post draft and the Reels draft as well. So that is how you save drafts on Instagram. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.